This is the entrance.
Hello guys, happy new year. It's another new year, 2022. I know most of us are having new year resolution of moving out. So we have this one bedroom in Uthiru 87 area. It goes for 14,000 shillings. I like the tiles. You can see the tiles are so good. What I don't like about it, there's no door going to the corridor, the kitchen, washroom, and the bedroom. But it's spacious. Those are the cons for it. Oh no, pros. Sorry, those are the pros. I don't mind the background. I hope you don't recognize it. The kitchen is not that spacious, but for a starter, somebody moving from a smaller house, this can be a good one because the living room is big. The washroom, we can see it's a medium. It's okay. It's a combined washroom and bathroom. Then the bedroom, it's also spacious. In fact, it can fit two beds, but most who does two beds in one bedroom? It's a spacious one. It has a nice wardrobe there. It's an open wardrobe for those who don't like the doors because the scent they get. Then another advantage, the house is just next to the tarmac, so mambo ya matope, nothing about it. Those two shelves there on the wardrobe. Then at least there is a space between the wardrobe and the door. You can do some nice decor there. This one I've tried to zoom so that you can see the space well. Next to the road is an advantage, yeah. It's spacious. The colors, I'm a man, but personally I saw them looking cool. In fact, they look better than in camera. This is a zoomed one for the kitchen. And you can see, yeah, it can fit a fridge, a cooker, and also your utensils. The storage is also okay. The washroom, you can see there is no hot shower. This house, when you come, you have to buy your own hot shower, that head, and put it there. Now from this zoomed one, you can see the size of the living room. It's a big one. You can see it's a nice large house. It can actually